Is your 2015 Mazda 6 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 2 to 4 years. Here's how to replace the battery. Pry open the fob carefully with a small flathead screwdriver, noting the battery's polarity. Replace it with a new CR2032 and test the fob from about 20 feet away. If that doesn't work, your fob may need to be relearned, or the receiver in your Mazda may need to be reset. As of late 2024, Mazda released Service Bulletin number 09-00125 to address intermittent key fob failures due to software glitches in the body control module. Check with your dealer for a free firmware update. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try relearning the key fob. The vehicle's body control module manages keyless entry systems. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Cycle the ignition from off to on and back off 3 times within 10 seconds. Then, hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously until the doors lock and unlock. This should take about 5 to 10 seconds. If relearning doesn't work, try a receiver reset. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This clears any stored faults in the body control module and can restore key fob functionality. For advanced diagnostics, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM errors. If issues persist, consult a professional technician. Hardware replacements can cost $200 to $500 at the dealer, so try these fixes first.